In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an AliExpress refund. Let's get started by opening the AliExpress app or website. You can do this on your phone or computer, whichever is more convenient for you. AliExpress is a popular online shopping platform, so you might already have the app on your device. If not, simply visit aliexpress.com. This is your starting point for managing orders and requests. Once you have AliExpress open, the next step is to sign into your account. Enter your email address and password to access your account. This is crucial because without signing in, you won't be able to view or manage your orders. Remember, keeping your account secure by using a strong password is always important. This ensures that only you have access to your purchase details. Now that you're signed in, navigate to My Orders. This section is where you'll find all your past and current purchases. It's like your personal order history on AliExpress. From here, you can manage everything related to your orders, including refunds. Next up, find the order that has the refund request. It's important to locate the correct order, as you might have multiple orders in progress. Look for the order number or the item name to ensure you're selecting the right one. This step is crucial to avoid canceling the wrong refund request. With the correct order in sight, click to open Order Details. This area provides you with all the information about your order. You'll see details like the purchase date, order status, and any ongoing disputes. Having all this information in one place is helpful for managing your orders smoothly. From there, select Dispute in Progress or Refund Details. This option allows you to view the current status of your refund request. It's important to understand the status so you can decide whether you really want to cancel it. Sometimes refunds may already be processed, making cancellation unnecessary. Scroll down the page and look for the Cancel Request button. This is the action that will initiate the cancellation of your refund. Clicking this button is a significant step as it tells AliExpress that you no longer want to pursue the refund. Take a moment to double-check everything before proceeding. Once you click Cancel Request, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirming the cancellation is the final step in this process. By doing so, you communicate to AliExpress that you're sure about canceling the refund. This is important because it finalizes your decision and updates your order status accordingly. And there you have it, you've successfully canceled your AliExpress refund request. This process ensures that any pending refund actions are halted. If you change your mind later, you can always contact AliExpress support for assistance. Remember that canceling a refund is a straightforward process, but it's always wise to be certain before making changes to your orders. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful in guiding you through canceling an AliExpress refund. If you have any other questions about using AliExpress, feel free to explore more of our videos. Until next time, happy shopping and take care.